In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Uber Eats promo code or discount code or coupon code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and in the search box type in Uber Eats promo code. It brings you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you a promo code. You can open up any of them where you can find a lot of different promo codes. For example, the first one gives me $10 off for Uber Eats in October. So I can tap on that coupon to see him, and here I can double tap on that coupon, then hit on copy to copy it to clipboard, and now I can move to Uber Eats website or Uber Eats application where I can buy their stuff and use that promo code. Just don't forget to paste it in promo code field before you pay any money and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.